Today, at Devitt Machinery, we are pouring Moglice FLP into a few different racks to make test gauges. We will use the gauges to inspect the racks later in this video. We will be using steel round stock for the FLP to adhere to. The gauge is used to make sure the specifications for each rack is what is needed for the worm. We are damming the racks with clay and duct tape. You can use many different materials to dam. These are two of the most common materials. Duct tape is used to cover more porous surfaces like wood when we make dams. Clay covers those hard to reach and awkward spaces the FLP could flow into, such as the area between the teeth of the rack. We will mix the FLP using the Bridgeport. Mix the FLP for 2 to 5 minutes. We use two 1,500 gram kits and one 1,000 gram kit to pour all three gauges. We will pour into one side of the rack. This allows the product to degas while we pour, eliminating any possibility for air pockets. FLP will fully cure in 24 hours. We are using the Bridgeport and a carbide end mill to trim the excess material. We have a perfectly molded gauge with a handle to easily change from rack to rack. Look how perfectly each gauge fits into their corresponding rack. This means we are ready to inspect the racks with our new gauges. We have all of these products available at Devitt Machinery. Call us or email to ask any questions or to place your order. We post shop projects every Friday, so stay tuned for more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.